Transferring money from Step to Cash App is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. If you want to transfer the money from Step to Cash App, you need to follow my guidelines. So first of all, link a bank account with your Step app. First of all, open your Step app on your mobile device. Then open the Step settings bar. After that, click on the link account option. Then add the CV number of your bank account card. It will be written on the back of your bank account card. Now enter all the other details of your bank account. After that, you have to link a similar bank account with your Cash App. So open your Cash App account settings. Now click on Add an Account button. Then enter all details of your bank account card. After that, save these changes and verify through email. To transfer your money by linking your bank account, firstly, send your desired amount from Step to your linked bank account. Your amount would be sent in 24 hours of duration. Later on, send the amount from your bank account to the Cash App. Therefore, you can use this indirect way of amount transfer.